Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
So, Alex, today we're talking about something really special, how to talk about our best moments in English. Isn't that exciting?
Oh, yes, Lily. I love this topic because everyone has beautiful moments in their life, and sharing them in English makes it even more fun.
First, let's explain what best moments means. Best moments are the happiest or most memorable times in your life.
Exactly. For example, it could be your graduation day, your first job, a family trip, or even a simple happy memory with friends.
When you want to talk about your best moments, you can start your sentence like this. One of the best moments in my life was...
Or you can say, I will never forget the day when...
Let me share one of my best moments. One of the best moments in my life was when I gave my first English speech.
Wow, Lily, that sounds amazing. How did you feel at that time?
I was very nervous at first, but when I finished my speech, everyone clapped and I felt so proud and happy.
Now let me share mine. One of the best moments in my life was when I got my first job.
Oh, Alex, were you very excited?
Yes, I was so excited that I couldn't sleep the whole night before my first day.
When we talk about best moments, we often use emotional words like happy, proud, excited, surprised, and grateful.
For example, you can say, I felt very proud of myself, or I was extremely happy that day.
Okay, Alex, let's do a small practice.
I'm ready.
Ask me about my best moment.
Lily, what was one of the best moments in your life?
One of the best moments in my life was when I helped my students speak English confidently for the first time.
That's really beautiful, Lily. You must have felt very proud.
Yes, I really did.
So, friends, this was part one of our conversation.
In the next part, we'll teach you how to describe your best moments in more detail using easy English.
Say next in the comments to continue to part two.
Welcome back, everyone. Now we're going to learn how to describe your best moment in more detail.
Yes, because short answers are good, but detailed answers make your English sound more natural and fluent.
When we talk about a memory, we should answer 3 simple questions. When did it happen? Where did it happen? Who was there with you?
For example, you can say, it happened last year, at my school, and my friends were with me.
Let me share my best moment in detail. It happened 3 years ago at my college. I was standing on a big stage, and my parents were sitting in the front row.
That sounds really special, Lily.
I felt nervous, but when I saw my parents smiling, I felt strong and confident.
Now I'll share my story. My best moment happened last winter. I was in a small village with my grandparents.
What made it special, Alex?
We were sitting together near the fire, talking, laughing, and eating warm homemade food. I felt peaceful and loved.
Notice something important, friends. When we talk about past memories, we use the past tense.
We say, I was happy. It happened last year. We enjoyed the moment.
Alex, let's practice with questions again.
I'm ready, Teacher Lily.
Ask me where my best moment happened.
Where did your best moment happen?
It happened at my school during a cultural program.
Who was with you?
My best friends and my teachers were there. Dear friends, everyone has beautiful memories.
Your life is full of special moments, and you can express them in English very easily.
In the next part, we will show you how to make your stories more interesting and natural.
So don't go anywhere.
Type next to continue to part 3. Welcome back again. Now we'll learn how to make your best moment stories more interesting and emotional.
Yes, a good story is not only about what happened, but also how you felt inside.
You can use words like excited, nervous, surprised, proud, thankful, and emotional.
For example, you can say, "My heart was beating fast because I was so excited."
You can also describe the place and environment.
You can say things like, "The sky was blue. The weather was warm and beautiful. The room was full of happy faces."
Let me share another best moment. One day, I helped a shy student speak English in front of the class for the first time.
That's really sweet, Lily.
When she finished, she was smiling, and I felt tears in my eyes because I was so happy for her.
Now let me tell a funny best moment.
Oh, I'm ready to laugh.
Once I won a small competition, and I was so excited that I went on the wrong stage by mistake.
Oh my goodness, Alex, that's so funny.
Yes, everyone was laughing, and I was laughing too. It became one of my happiest memories.
Friends, here are some simple tips to speak more fluently.
Use linking words like after that, then, suddenly, finally, and in the end.
Let's do a small role play.
I'm ready.
You are a student, and I am your teacher. Tell me about your best moment.
One of the best moments in my life was when I passed my final exam. I was very nervous at first, but after that, I felt very proud of myself.
Very good, Alex. That was excellent. In the next and final part, we'll help you speak confidently and naturally about your best moments.
And we will also give you a beautiful closing message.
Type next to continue to part 4. Welcome back, everyone. Now we will help you speak about your best moments with confidence.
Yes, remember, your story doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be honest.
Before speaking, think about 3 things: what happened, how you felt, what you learned.
For example, you can say, "That moment taught me to believe in myself."
Okay, Alex, let's do the final practice.
I'm ready.
Ask me about another best moment.
Lily, can you tell me another best moment from your life?
One of my best moments was when I saw my student speak English confidently in public for the first time. I felt proud and thankful.
That's really inspiring, Lily.
You know, Alex, what I like most is helping people feel confident when speaking English.
And what I love most is learning new things and sharing positive energy with everyone watching us. And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us, and we love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.